How to humanize ChatGPT text for free. What is up, guys? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily humanize your ChatGPT texts. Without any further delay, let us just jump right in. First thing first, you want to go over to ChatGPT and ask it anything you want and get the text. So I'll just do a random text for now. So here I've asked it to generate a paragraph about business management. I can just copy this paragraph. Then you need to go over to any of your web browser. I'll go over to Google Chrome. And here you can search for AI detector. Once you have searched for it, go ahead and open any AI detector. One of the reliable ones is 0GPT or GPT-0. You can do anything you want. Then paste your text over here and then tap on detect text. Once that is done, you can scroll down. As you can see, almost 100% of it is AI generated. Now to paraphrase this, you need to open up another tab and then search for AI humanizer and hit enter. Once you've done that, you can find very different kind of humanizer over here. So what I'll do is just scroll down. I'm going to tell you a link, which is this one. So just type in exactly this, humanizeai.text.org. Search for this. It's going to take you to a website, and you just go ahead and paste your text over here. So let me just go to clipboard, paste the text, and then I can just scroll down and then tap on humanize. It's going to show the humanized text down below. Let's just wait for a bit. You'll get the text. Then you can easily copy it by tapping the copy at the top. Once you've done that, let's go back to our AI detector. And then from here, let's just detect text again. So I'll just select all. And then from here, you can just paste the current text, tap on detect. And it's going to, as you can see, it has lowered the rating by a significant number. Now you can just copy this remaining text like this and just humanize the selected text again and again until it gets lower than 5% or to your liking. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.